Welcome back again in my YouTube channel. Kung bago pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe para po mas updated tayo dito po sa ating latest upload. Alright, and for today's video, nandito ako ngayon sa Antel Grand Village, Grand Pasadena. I am helping my lot owner to sell his property. Alright, watch this. And Ray Miliada, Division Manager dito po sa Antel Grand Village. And Anyana, and for today's video, I will taking you to this two adjacent lot. This one is 216 and the other one is 191. It makes this lot special because it's a corner and an inner lot. So we will check also the the frontage nito pong property nito. And what makes this special because this is a perimeter property and mga bahay dito guys is talaga namang malalaki. And we will see the property sa aerial naman po. Alright guys, good afternoon and welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. My name is Ray Miliada, Division Manager dito po sa Antel Grand Village. And Anyana, this video po is recently lang po ito na-take dito po sa Grand Pasadena ng Antel Grand Village. This is a request video from a lot owner na sa US to take a video or to take a live shot nito pong kanyang property which is a titled property, and he is selling this property. This 400 and plus square meters. This is a corner and inner lot property which is very good in case kung gusto nyo medyo wider ang lawn area and mas malapad yung inyo pong magiging floor area. And of course, if you wanted na maglagay pa po ng isang lap pool, well, this property is very good kasi napakalaki ng kanyang space. You also notice na yung adjacent or itong katabi po ng property na ito is may ongoing construction po. But if i-feature ko po ito ng live later how big this property is. So ang frontage nito, by the way, so I think it has almost 30 meters sa frontage. So sa tingin ko po if you wanted to have a 2 floors house, so at i-consume nyo po yung ating pinaka deed of restriction, I think the property with a floor area almost of 500 square meters. So ayan po, medyo mataas lang po yung ating live shots and makikita nyo po yung atin pong mga neighborhood dyan guys. And also the area is very green and very bleak. And of course the roads, yung lapad ng roads and the wind, it's actually very windy po today dito sa Antel Grand Village. And of course, ito pong kaliwang house na yan, kaliwang house na yan, ginagawa po is ongoing construction. This is a customized plan ng atin pong lot owner dito po sa Antel Grand Village. And ito naman po is, I will show you how near this property dito sa guardhouse. So it just steps away going to the main entry point. And of course, ito pong maraming mga sasakyan na dumadaan is the main road nito pong Antel Grand Village. So you also notice na itong ating property is well maintained. At makikita nyo na yung ating property is very green. And of course, wala po talaga siyang kalat-kalat. No garbage or mga stray garbage. Wala po. Kasi we have a homeowners association na to collect those garbage po. Alright, so you also notice the property is very near going to the crab house dito po sa Grand Oak Ridge. And of course, the property is very near going to the main road going to Manila area. And anyway, this property is just 22 minutes driving away going to Manila via Cavitex. So as you also notice na this property is surrounded with different houses and with different real estate developers. So that is why this area talaga is very progressive, and this area is napakadaming opportunity lalo na sa trabaho negosyo. And one thing for sure talagang dito sa Antel Grand Village is this is a self-sustained real estate development na naandito na po sa paligid lahat, guys. Kaya, and also the property value of this Antel Grand Village is more cheaper na versus with the Evo City and then the Maple. Right, guys, so nakita nyo po yung pinaka-aerial nito. So how close this property going to the main entry, and how close naman po itong lot na ito going to the main road and then going to Manila and Cavitex. But kung bago pa lang dito sa aking channel na ito, guys, so this property it is located 22 minutes driving away from Manila via Cavitex. And of course, this property is existing. Actually po, I am helping my lot owner to sell out his property. So this is a titled property, updated po ang tax deck, updated po ang homeowners association monthly dues, updated din po ang real property tax. And then if you wish na magustuhan nyo po itong property na ito, because this is a 417 square meters, so very large property, and makikita nyo po yung kapitbahay nyo dito, guys, talaga namang malalaki ang houses. And of course, if you wish na itong property na ito ay magpagawa nyo po ng design, so very convenient kasi madali siyang i-design because of the meters and because of the size of the lot. And probably kung kayo pa ng inyo pong budget, no, you can put a lap pool, no, in this property. And talaga namang maganda to kasi it's a corner and inner lot, no, it's a adjacent lot na talaga namang mapapawaw ka sa laki. And itong nakikita nyo na ngayon is the physical property naman po nitong dalawang lote na ito. And of course, mapapansin nyo din na ito po mga damo na to, so kapag tag-ulan po, para doon naman sa ating mga lot owners and home owners dito po sa Antel Grand Village and Anyana, so kapag tag-ulan po, nasa 4 to 6 weeks po ang grass cutting schedule natin. So medyo mahaba na yung mga damo dito sa medyo malapit na, dito sa medyo edge ng ating pong walkway, and then this gutter area, but naka-schedule na po ito for the grass cutting. And of course, ang monthly dues natin dito, guys, is 5 pesos per square meter. So if you have 400, that is 5 times, that is 2,000 pesos yung atin pong magiging monthly dues. But the homeowners association po is naniningil po siya ng 1 month, ng 1 year po siya, guys. And of course, kapag magpapagawa kayo ng house dito, so wala dito ang mga precast and prefab. So the lahat dito, guys, is conventional. So alright, so approximately from the property going to the main entry and entrance gate, it just steps away, so malapit lang siya. Plus going to the clubhouse, which is the swimming pool, just distance away lang po siya. And medyo windy and medyo breezy po dito, guys, kasi po dito sa Antel lahat ng houses natin is solo, so wala tayong townhouse. So that's the big difference kapag ang property mo po is more on a single detached and attached. Kapag kasi medyo townhouses ang property, medyo limitado yung flow ng hangin, unlike no, whereas this single houses property is talaga namang yung hangin is through and through. And mapapansin nyo din yung inyong mga neighbors, no, yung houses dito, guys, ay malalaking houses din, na. Alright, so if you wish, no, kung gusto nyo po, or if you are interested with this 400 and plus square meters, the description, the price in my description. I am very active in my WhatsApp and Viber. I am very active in my social accounts, media accounts, and most likely sa aking Facebook and Messenger. You can direct message me anytime as long as we have the internet connection. But the question is, itong property na ito ba is available through installment? I think the property is available only for all through cash payment lang po siya, guys. Ayan, this is a more cheaper property and existing property, and pwede na kayo magpagawa anytime soon. And of course, hindi ka naman natakot kasi you have the kapitbahay already. Alright, tapos sa likod po is a perimeter, is a private property. Talagang mai-enjoy mo yung hangin, no? Tapos yung very lively, nakikita nyo po, very lively po yung mga dahon. Alright, so thank you so much, and I hope mag-message lang kayo guys, and I will give you a very active message and a very complete details for this property. Actually, the lot owner ay nasa Amerika po. Is willing to provide SPA red ribbon, no, just to sell out the property. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. God bless.